With interesting people, there's a mystery to be solved. An adventure is unfolding, so why not get involved? Come on and read all about it.
There it is. Are you sure? What's the exact address, Chris? The coach house on King's Lane. Then that must be it. Why is it called the coach house? It looks like a garage to me. Well, it's where they used to keep horse-drawn coaches. I guess that's why they call it a coach house. Hey, look! Right, this is it. Can you see anything? No, it's too dark. Let's go inside. Hurry up, Chris. Wait till I find the right key. Chris, are you sure that your uncle left you this place in his will? Yeah, sure, I'm sure. Here's the letter my mom got from the lawyer. Here, look it. Start there. That's the part about me. Mr. Derek Norris. That's my uncle. Has been missing for 7 years and is therefore now presumed dead. What's presumed dead mean? It means the lawyer thinks he's dead because he's been missing for so long and no one can find him. In his will, Mr. Norris has said that the coach house on King's Lane is to become the property of his nephew, Christopher Anderson, on his 21st birthday. 21? What good is that? You're only 11. Wait, there's more. However, he may use the coach house before he is 21 for any worthwhile and practical purpose. See, if we find a good reason, we can use it now. How about a clubhouse? I don't know. What's that? What? That word. Help. Wasn't there before. You're right. Maybe someone's inside. Hello? Maybe it's ghosts. Let's get out of here. Wait, but suppose someone needs help. I found the right key. Come on. All right, but let's be careful. Anybody here? Hello? Can you see anybody? No, it's too dark. I'm positive there was nothing on the window when we arrived. Who's that? Hey, the lights work. Oh, it's you. You could have warned us first, Sam. I thought you said this place was closed up. It is. Then why do the lights work? I don't know. And there's no dust, except for the windows. The whole place is clean. It's weird. Hey, Chris. Yeah? Look at this strange writing. You're reading it upside down. There. Oh. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why, and when and how, and where and who. Sounds like a poem. Yeah. How well did you know your uncle, Chris? I only met him a couple times. He's always off exploring new places. Well, somebody must be using this place. The word on the window, the lights, no dust. It's very mysterious. Look, intricate. What does that mean? It means you're reading it wrong. It's not 3 words, it's 1, intricate. Oh, what's intricate mean? Difficult, I think. More like complicated. Look! We just said that. Look, it's repeating my words. What is it? I don't know. Maybe someone's inside. Too small. It must be a machine. Lynne's right. It could be a tape recorder. That prints? Try a big word. See if it repeats again. Tremendous. Rhinoceros. Try a word which has different spellings and let's see what it'll do. There. That's too easy. No, it's not. How did it do that? Must be able to think. That's impossible. Try something else. Mary had a little. Black sheep, have you any? Jack and Jill went up the wall. I think we've insulted it. Sorry, we didn't mean to offend you. I'm Lynne Davis, and this is Samantha Nakis. Yes, my father's from Greece. You can call me Sam if you like. Because everybody else does. Because, I don't know, it's easier. I don't think Otto and I are going to get along too well. I'm Chris Anderson. Yeah, how did you know? We? Intricate. There it is. Well, what does it mean about 3 smaller words? Let's read it again. Intricate means complex, difficult to do. The first part tells us what intricate means. But if you find 3 smaller words, I'll open just for you. Maybe it means the 3 smaller words are in the word intricate. Right, look, there's one word, in. There's trick, T-R-I-C. Oh, there's no K. Cat, I can see the word cat. Good, now we have in and cat. How about rickety, you know, like a rickety old chair? Do you spell rickety R-I-C-A-T-E? Well, I was close. I see it. Here, look. A-T-E, 8. In, cat, 8. Those must be the 3 words. But how do they make the cupboard open?
It's very simple. By saying the 3 words in sequence, my voice box begins to activate. My name is Theta. and I'm pleased to make your acquaintance.
I'm Chris Anderson. Otto said you had a message from my uncle?
Yes, Otto and I are two of your uncle's inventions.
What happened to him?
Your uncle has been missing for 7 years, and by his own instructions, we must presume that he is dead. Before he left, we were programmed with the following message.
Chris, I haven't much time, so listen carefully. You must help. I'm trying terrible conspiracy. If I fail, you must...
I can't hear him. What's happening?
Trust only Otto and Theta. Danger everywhere. Destroy... Ah!
He's gone. He just disappeared.
That is the end of the message.
There was too much static. I didn't get it all. Theta, can you play back the message again?
Negative. The message has self-destructed. However, Otto has recorded it.
Here's the important part. In Herbertville? Theta, how much do you and Otto know about this conspiracy?
Very little. We do not know which people in Herbertville are involved.
But why choose Chris to help? Why didn't Mr. Norris go to the police? Maybe they're also involved in the conspiracy. Well, what can we do?
You must find a practical reason for using the coach house. Then no one will suspect that you are investigating the conspiracy.
Maybe we could form a club. What is it? What's wrong?
Someone is approaching. We must hide.
Let's get out of here. It's too late.